Welcome back mga ka-Jubals Car Vlogs. For today's video, pupunta po tayo ngayon sa Ford dito sa Tacloban City. So titingnan natin doon, magre-review tayo ng Ranger. Alright. So I hope na we'll be allowed to review their unit doon, kasi meron ako nakitang display doon kanina na Ford Ranger. I think yung color there is black. So hindi ko lang sigurado yung variant niya. Okay, let's go. Sa Ford Tacloban City branch. Okay, so pasok tayo ngayon. So i-review natin yung Ford Ranger. Alright, so ito po yung i-review natin ngayon. Itong all new Ranger 2.0 liters XLT 4x2 automatic transmission. So yung unit price po pala nito is 1,434,000 pesos. And then meron silang promo na down payment na 286,800. And then for 5 years, 29,216. And then 4 years, 34,985. Okay? So by the way, marami po palang variant yung Ranger natin. So meron tayong 6 na variant, Isa na doon yung top of the line. Of course, ito yung XLT version na 4x2. Okay? So the color of this is black. Ayan. So ikutan natin yung sasakyan. Okay. So I think yung major improvement dito is yung face niya. So hindi pa siya naka-disc brake. So drum type pa din yung braking system niya sa likod. Okay, so ito yung mags or rim niya at saka yung gulong. Alright, step board. Okay. Tapos of course sa sidings meron ditong emblem na Ranger. So ito yung of course yung pinagmamalaki ng Ford na 800mm water wading. So I think yung binago talaga ni Ford is yung face, So parang lumaki yung mukha niya. And then parang merong chrome dito sa front grille. And then connected on sa ilaw. And then of course LED na yung light niya dito. So meron niyang daytime running light na parang letter C. So dito tayo sa loob. So sa side, naka hard plastic yung gilid pero leather naman yung armrest. Okay. Ayan. So automatic transmission. Parang napansin ko lang dito yung dashboard. Parang kinuha nila yung design ng older version ng Everest. Yun lang yung napansin ko. Yung yung old na Everest pa. Yung around 2014-2015 models ng Everest. Okay, so dito tayo sa steering wheel. Of course, merong mga controls dyan to function different technologies or to navigate, of course, the infotainment. Yung infotainment niya yung nagustuhan ko, parang Tesla yung design niya. So napakalaki. So yan. And then of course automatic transmission. Okay. Ayan. So yung aircon vents. Tapos sa Monobella, sporty look din. Alright. So minimalistic lang din naman yung design ni Ford pero excellent or elegant pa din yung design. So hindi siya naka-leather, fabric pa, Yung niya, yung seats. Of course, yung lagayan din ng shades. Ayan, yung center mirror. Alright. Ayan. So, ito yung pinagbago, no? Yung head unit. So, cup holder, center console, naka-hard plastic. Okay. Ayan. So, meron yung mga controls dito sa gilid. Okay, lock and lock. Then, the all power naman yung windows. So, handle dito sa driver side. Sa likod, hard plastic pa din pero leather yung armrest. So, yan, hard plastic yan. Of course, meron din cup holders dito sa likod. Okay. So, meron din ditong lagayan din ng gamit dito sa likod. Ayan. Tapos, overhead holder. And then, sa side, meron ding holder. Ayan. So, ito yung yung dashboard. No? Parang nakita ko sa previous older versions ng Everest. Parang may similarity. Okay. Ayan. So, may hook dito. Dalawang hooks. Okay. And of course, the USB port. Ayun. May grab handle dito. For the passengers. Of course, fully automatic yung windows natin. Alright, so parang though nagiging macho yung mukha niya, pero medyo hindi ko lang nagustuhan din yung design ng ilaw, no? But anyway, it depends on your perspective naman. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching. I hope na nagustuhan yung review natin. Of course, yung pinagmamalaki ni Ford na 800mm motor wading. Thank you for watching guys. God bless.